Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to add a new device to the Blink XT or just Blink system. So here we have the mobile phone with the app, and here we have a new camera. It's actually a replacement camera for the old camera, but I have to add this device. So there are two different ways to add a device to this app. That's the one thing here that you can press here. This is if you have just a camera like this. If you add a new camera or you replace an old camera with a new camera, then you use this. If you bought a whole new system, additionally with an additional communication module, you have to click here and then add new system. So you click on that. So don't click here if you just want to add a new camera. If you want to add a new camera, so you just click here. And what you need, you have to insert the batteries. That's in the back. So you see this arrow. You have to open the bag. You have to push it down and then pull it from the other side. So the best is maybe you use your thumb to push down and then pull here. It's a little bit difficult with the camera, but yeah, it worked. So the thing is, of course you have to add the battery. I have already added the batteries, and you need this serial number, okay? And then you can click, or you can even scan that. I'll try to do that here. The camera is not the best with this phone. I can use, oops, that was obviously wrong. So I have been, yeah, or maybe it detected it, I don't know. I just wanted to click on the flashlight, but probably it was able to detect the serial number or the QR code without that. So I was just looking into my camera and didn't notice what happened. So you probably can even tell better what happened. And it says, yeah, camera added successfully. And then we get some additional information now about positioning the camera and what to avoid. That's really important. And yeah, you click on done, and let's see if it works. We can, I mean, that's the old camera here. I probably can remove that. I don't know, maybe in the settings, I haven't checked. Maybe we can remove, yeah, we can. After that, as you can see, if we go to the button, we can delete this camera. I don't do it at the moment. What I want to do is to make a photo here, so we can check if this is really working. I point this a little bit, yeah, somewhere to the side. Yeah, that was not the best thing. I'll put something in front of the camera, but anyway, I mean, you have been able to see that it changed the picture, and it's only possible when it's connected. So you can see now that thing is working, and we can now change the settings here. Probably it didn't just take the settings of the old camera. No, looks, it's like some kind of default settings, which is on sensitivity 5. So whatever you have set up also regarding quality, you probably have to change it. And so you can see, yeah, communication, everything looks really good, and I'm ready to go after I put back the thing. What you have to make sure when you put back the back plate, there's an opening here, and that's the opening here if you want to use external power. So you have to align this on the same side, and then you will hear a click. Just make sure that there is really no gap in between, so it's really 100% watertight. So yeah, I just have to mount it outside, and I'm ready to go. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.